What's going on, brothers? This is Joe from Brothers Off Grid. I'm here with my brother Hayden, but in this video, we are brothers on grid. Today, we are luxury U-Haul camping. We brought all the fancy gear out in this video. We brought the generator, full-size beds, and we aren't cooking on the campfire today. We brought the propane cooker. We cooked 5-star dinner, 5-star desserts, 5-star breakfast. And then we ended the night off setting up the projector and the PS5 and just chilling out and watching movies and just playing games. What an absolutely great day. Alright guys, well we secured the U-Haul. Now we just need to go and pick up the generator. Alright guys, well we made it to the spot. It was a little bit longer of a drive than we expected, but we made it, we're here. First thing we need to do is set up our stuff. It's raining a little bit right now, so we're gonna set up the tarp first. But besides that, let's get her going. So what? Alright, well that obviously didn't work.
A little too windy.
Seems like every single time we come out here we pick the absolute worst day, the worst weather, but we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna try a new way to put the tarp up, and if that doesn't work, we're just gonna do it in the rain. I hope we don't have to do it in the rain, because it won't be too luxury then, but let's see if this works. Pretty sketchy.
I think this thing could probably fall at any second, but we're gonna try it.
All right, fellas, well, this is what we came up with.
It's totally not gonna fall down.
It's up for now, but we'll see if it lasts us the rest of the evening.
Time to get some stuff done actually now. That took us way too long.
Let's set our beds up, because if this thing falls down, we're gonna be spending the rest of our time in there.
At least we'll see if we can put up a simple air mattress.
All right, guys. Well, now that we have our bed set up, we need to start cooking because it's about 6 o'clock.
Come on.
Stuff keeps falling down. The wind's still blowing. And yeah, we need all the time we can get because since we're luxury camping today, we brought some fancy meals to cook. So we still have dinner, we have dessert, second dessert, breakfast in the morning, you know. So,
coffee. We got coffee.
So we need to get going and hopefully this stuff stays up.
It's falling down a little bit, but.
So I'm gonna start cooking now and then Hayden's gonna set up the projector so we can have a nice movie with our meal. Maybe play a little bit of games later. So let's get it going. All right, so before we cook the dinner, we actually have to start dessert first. Because again, today we're luxury camping, so we're going fancy. And what's more fancy than creme brulee? And creme brulee takes like 2 to 3 hours to set up, so we definitely have to start that first. Get all the egg whites out of there. I want egg yolk only.
Holy crap, that's good. That's flipping good,
Bro.
Holy.
Brother. Okay. We're actually gonna throw them in the ice chest so then they thicken up quicker.
And also we have running water because we're doing a little fancy luxury camping.
It says that they need 6 hours to thicken up, but we're hoping since we're putting it in the ice chest, it only takes like an hour or two. Well, let's start making dinner.
Let's do it.
All right, well, I was just about to start cooking, and I was thinking to myself, man, I'm looking like I'm out bushcrafting. I mean, we're looking like everyday Joes here. I mean, what's going on here, man?
Nice pullover jacket.
I almost forgot that we were luxury camping. We need to look a little bit more presentable.
That's more like it.
How you doing, brother? It's a pleasure.
Nice doing business with you.
Let's make some salmon. Time for the noodles to come off. Third-degree burns. I'm dead serious. Where's the glove?
I don't think we brought a glove.
That is a third-degree burn. I'm dead serious.
Now that napkin.
Is that one still on? Yeah, that one's still on.
Yeah.
Frickin' hey, man. All right, here we go.
That ain't gonna be enough. How about like
Go. Put those to the side. Put this damp pot to the side. Lighter.
Got it.
This is the salmon pan. Nice Columbia River salmon right here. Me and Haiti caught about 6 months ago.
Well, we didn't catch the same salmon. We
It's-
caught separate salmon.
It's one of our salmon. skin side down. Now that the sauce is thickened up, I'm going to throw the noodles in.
It's not really dark enough for it, but it's good enough for a little dinner.
Luxury camp is a lot harder than you think.
Yeah.
I'm just thankful to finally be eating this food. Is it cold?
No cold. It's not camping unless your food is cold.
It's also a lot colder than I thought it was going to be up here. It's in the 40s right now, which we've camped in way colder, but my hands are frozen.
Yeah.
My face is pretty frozen too. I can't talk that well.
Maybe our blazer isn't the best outfit for out here, but this is luxury.
Yeah, I wouldn't call this a winter jacket. Can't beat this food though. Salmon over pasta with cream sauce, side of zucchini, beautiful views outside.
We're not getting rained on.
It's still windy, but we can handle it. Finally got the projector to work. It's just way too light outside, so the screen doesn't show up that well, but I can't complain.
No, I think we're doing pretty good.
We made it work. All right, well, we're just gonna eat our food and enjoy this movie. All right, that's about it there. It's pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, it was really good. A little cold, but not too bad. It was still pretty tasty.
Yeah, I mean, we don't have a microwave on us. That would be real luxury, a nice microwave.
Maybe next time.
But now I'm feeling like dessert, man. I really hope that those creme brulees are thickened up.
Hopefully they turned out good.
100%. Well, all done here. Let's have some creme brulee.
Heck yeah.
Moment of truth. Is it spongy?
Oh yeah.
Is it? Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, this is my first time ever trying creme brulee, so I don't know if that's a good thing to base it off of.
Got the little char on top.
It does. It didn't thicken up that well.
At the bottom, it's a little liquidy. Still really good.
Super
really good.
Yeah. Man, that's good. I don't even know what to base this off of because I've never had it, but this is one of the best things I've ever had.
Tastes good.
It's all gone for me. Yeah, so I'm gonna set my PS5 up. My hands are frozen, so I'm gonna suck, but I'm gonna try to run a couple games of Fortnite.
Heck yeah.
Let's set it up. So me and Hayden, we decided to throw some lights up here. It's just, man, dude, this is as cozy as it gets. I mean, we got full-on beds in here. It's not that cold out.
Got our blazers on like we should in the luxury.
Very classy. Got the lights up here. Got the PS5 running Fortnite. Beautiful view out here. Got the river down there.
Doesn't get much better than this.
Beautiful night.
Well, Joseph's just lazy and playing games over there, so I'm gonna start the fire.
One of the string lights broke, so we had to take them down. Can't let them keep breaking. I'm trying to get a win for you guys, but my hands are frozen, and the tarp keeps falling on me. So I don't think it's gonna happen. Oh, come on, bag. Gets right in my way. Oh, that's just awful. Well, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it, guys. The internet's not good. My hands are frozen. The tarp keeps falling on me. Or maybe I just suck at Fortnite. You never know. Probably that one, eh? A couple 1-2 s'mores.
I got a question for you guys. Have any of you made s'mores while wearing a blazer? My first time.
I actually picked this blazer up at Goodwill last year for about $4.99.
Yeah, I got the good old Goodwill special as well.
I genuinely believe that this is a woman's blazer, rather. This thing's putting off some good heat, actually. My hands were frozen. Give me one there?
Yep.
Thanks.
Oh, yeah.
You know what? I think I'm gonna have another.
That pole will not stay standing.
All right, well, that's about it for me. It's about 10 o'clock right now, so it's time to hit the hay.
We're gonna take everything down out here and bring the projector and PS5 and the U-Haul so we can watch a movie while we sleep.
So yeah, we're just gonna take everything down and head to sleep. All right, guys. Well, we made it. Made it to the night.
I think it's about almost 11 now.
It's 11:17.
11:17. About ready for a movie. Still got the generator running outside. I don't know how much gas is left in it, but we'll see how long it can run.
I think luxury camping was a success. Turns out it's a lot harder than other kinds of camping.
Yeah, the wind today didn't really help.
True.
And the rain.
All right, guys. Well, it's late. We're gonna watch a movie. We're gonna go to sleep, and we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. Oh man, how many hours did you get?
Maybe one. Maybe.
Went to sleep pretty late. I think I got to sleep at about 1:30. I stayed pretty warm though. Can't complain at all.
We kind of just stayed up until the generator ran out of gas. It took quite a while.
It's about 5:45 right now. Sounds like it's pouring outside. We still have to cook breakfast, and we took the tarp down last night. So there's nothing to really keep us out of the rain, but we'll make it work. We'll see you guys on the grill. Throw the old blazers back on. Time to cook some eggs Benedict. We were supposed to add milk to this, so it's taking a lot longer to thicken up. I don't know what I was reading on the directions, but I was supposed to add milk. So that's awesome. All right, well, I hope this is still warm. It's been a long time. Let's cut into the egg, see what happens. Oh, no way. It's a legit poached egg. Let's try it, brother.
That's pretty dang good.
It's actually super good.
Yeah. Surprisingly, the hollandaise sauce, without doing it right, really, it turned out actually good.
It's all gone. If it wasn't cold, I'd probably give it a 10 out of 10.
Definitely. Not bad for camping eggs Benedict.
Well, it's still pretty early in the morning, but I think it's about time to pack up. It's cold, we're out of food, so I think Hayden's gonna make himself a cup of coffee. I'm gonna start cleaning up, and we're gonna get out of here. All right, brothers. Well, we're all packed up and we're out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to subscribe. We post stuff like this every single week. But besides that, we're gonna get the blazers off. And we're out of here. We'll see you guys in the next one.
See you later.